We all learned during the pandemic that working from home is a viable alternative that can apply to many, many professions. The MeHKO and First Food Responders model offers the potential to supplement the household income so that they can make enough money to pay their bills. Brent Casey experienced firsthand how MeHKOs were an instant success and are positioned to play a pivotal role in a distributed network of first food responders.
So in Riverside County, we have the micro enterprise home kitchen operation option for homeowners who want to have a kitchen at their own home. So it's their own facility at that point. And it is unique to Riverside County in the very beginning. It was an ordinance that was drafted by our department, approved by the board. And it gave people a whole nother option, a whole nother avenue where they could make full meals, deliver those meals. People could come to them and buy the meals from them. We were the first in the nation to have that. We've seen the numbers grow over the last couple of years. And actually during the pandemic, it grew about 20%. That was nice to see, because when you start a new program, it's nice to see that it's a success, number one, but also benefit to the community it's trying to get to, number two. It's a win overall, all the way around. And up and down the state, there are groups that are either incorporating it already or looking at it to incorporate very soon. And so Riverside County is no longer the only county or jurisdiction that has the MeHKOs in place, but we continue to be a resource for those groups that keep looking at it, keep wanting to do it.
Working from home as part of a hyper-local network has the added benefit of being so close to the people you serve. They are often your friends and neighbors. Patty and Barry Williams love cooking and bringing their entire family together in support of their MeHKO.
There's a huge part that as a family, we really got out of this. My daughter being 15 now, it was really a great experience being able to work as a family. And I would highly recommend that for anybody that wants to have a MeHKO. You use your family members to help you prepare and help you go and purchase everything, help give you ideas for menus, tell you exactly the things that they really enjoy eating from you, from your kitchen, because those are the things that really people want. They want the home cooked meals. They want the things that they don't want to put in the time to do on their own or just can't do on their own.
Running a MeHKO is a great opportunity to become a real contributor to your community. Imagine the relief a stressed out single parent would have picking up a home-cooked meal at the end of the day from their neighborhood child care provider or from a next-door neighbor instead of stopping by a fast food restaurant. As a workforce development strategy, that applies to child care centers, senior centers, caregivers, school kitchens, and even as a future career opportunity for offenders trapped by the criminal justice system.
If I am a MeHKO operator, my neighbors could know that if you come to me to buy food, or I could drop them off the food, I could be the source of the food delivery. We have a list of all the MeHKOs that are permitted in the county. That's on our department website.
So, Brent, we're here on the farm today, and I'm thinking of this neighborhood. If I had a MeHKO kitchen and I could come here and get produce and cook it, and had an infrastructure I could find out who needs meals, we can turn areas that are a food desert or have a community need into healthy food communities that are vibrant.
Who's going to care more about the quality and the cost of the food that you're providing than your neighbor? Your neighbor is going to care about you. It's a model that at its core is about human values and human interactions.
MeHKOs and First Food Responder commercial kitchens open up a whole new world of possibilities for a better life.